Happy Halloween. Would you like to give somebody a fright? Or maybe a feeling of disgust? How about you make them a dog poo cake? Follow me into the kitchen and let the dog poo begin. We're gonna start with a basic spice cake mix. Follow it according to directions. Now you just have to bake it. I love spice cake. It's so spicy. I need to make some grass for on top of this dog poo cake. I'm taking some shredded coconut, and on top of that I'm going to add some green food coloring and mix it on in there. I've got my cake and some sour cream. I'm going to spread this sour cream on this cake. I think sour cream and spice taste so nice. Time to add on the grass. Sprinkle it right on there. For the dog poo, I'm using cosmic brownies. See? But what I'm doing is I'm removing the sprinkles. I'll be taking it and I'll be rolling it into a dog do shape. Like this. And putting it on my cake. Well, I got my dog poo cake. Whoa! Doesn't that make you want to dig right in? I sure do. Yummy dog do cake. Yes. Moist and delicious. Do I have any dog do on my teeth? I really love horror movies. Do you want to look inside of our furnace room? Come take a look. Thank you! I just don't like that people don't know how to clean up after their dogs. It's their due diligence.